Well, here's another short video just for funs and grins and giggles. um, Again, playing with Snagit video software, although it's a still screen, so it's my desktop wallpaper. But hey, I just thought I'd share what was in my lab. So power supply there, nice. It's an old one actually. Somebody gave that to me, but it's nice. Goes up like 30 volts, 5 amps, I think, something like that. Kind of cheapy. This my son gave me. It was really nice of him. A trip light. This got outlets on this side and outlets on the other side, which is really nice. An old RF generator. I think this is actually tubes, if I'm not mistaken. This is my drill right here. This is nice. I use this to drill holes in the circuit boards I make. Like this board up here. See where the cursor is. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry, my bad. Well, down here, these circuit boards here, this one is a power supply filter. This is a full wave bridge. This for a 3,500 volt power supply for a ham radio type amplifier that I'm slowly but surely building. That's what we got. And this is my breadboard, one of them. These are circuit boards I was making, and it's actually an RF attenuator. You can't really see it. It made some more sense with little SMA connectors on them. I've gotten it actually flat up to like almost 500 megahertz now, which is kind of cool. I'll do a video on that sometime. These were PCB filters. I kind of gave up on them. They're, I don't know. I think instead what I'm going to do is try to use a PCB with use the traces and some SMD capacitors to ground and try to make me filters on a circuit board that way. And then, so my breadboard, this is an Arduino display, and some of my Arduino circuit boards here, another breadboard. That's a lot of fun to work with. You can get a little bit of practice with C programming and build code, make the display do what you want, make it. Arduino is pretty versatile. I like it. If you're not into it, you wouldn't really know if you never messed with it, but it's a lot of fun. You can make it do a lot of things. It's like a PIC controller, if you've heard of those before, kind of a similar idea. And what else we got here? My DMM, one of them anyway, a bunch of tools. This is a audio tracer that's really old too. It's a bunch of solder. I bought some solder from China, and yeah, I don't know. I just don't really like it. I think Kester is still the best solder on the market. So, my soldering iron, a nice Weller. I just bought that last summer. I really like it. It's a really nice Weller. Digital display and everything. What have we got here? Let's see. I got my scope. This is a Tektronix 365, I think. Not the A though. Nice scope, still running good for the considering how old it is. And this is my Regal 1102E, I believe, scope, 100 megahertz scope. Although you can read up to like 400 megs on that thing, but it's attenuated, of course, because of bandwidth. But it'll still read it though. Actually, I think up to about, I think well over 200, I can still actually, lock the waveform on the screen with it, sync it, trigger it. Okay, sorry about that. This one here is a frequency counter. It's an HP. Nice one, goes up to, I forget, 100 meg or something. My son gave that to me. It's really nice. He also gave me this HP DMM. This thing will do 4 ohm, not 4 ohm, I'm sorry, 4 wire resistance measurements. And I was playing around with that, and I was like, yeah, okay, sure. I put a 0.047 ohm resistor on it, and it measured it to like 0.046 or something. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty amazing. What else we got here? My handheld, little BAO FENG Baofeng, something like that. Handheld, nice little handheld actually. It was like 50 bucks, something like that. Really nice, considering how much you paid for it. Works really well, I think it does anyway. What else do we have here? This is my spectrum analyzer. It's Regal also. It's a DSA 815TG. I like it a lot. So I've been doing my PCB filters and attenuators, and when I do the next style of PCB filters, I'm going to be using that to check the bandwidth of them. It's really sweet. Definitely get it with a tracking generator option if you're going to buy one. I've got a crappy B&K function generator. It's not in the picture, but it's alright, I guess. I have tons of parts, absolutely boatloads of parts. That's about it. My flashlights and my hemostats. And get a little bit messy in here. It's always a little messy on my bench because I'm always building stuff and tinkering. But it's all good. It's all good. Anyway, that's about it. Just playing around, like I said, a little 5-minute video. Thought you might want to, see this picture in the background all the time. But maybe if you guys are curious, what actually is all that stuff? Well, now you know. So, anyway, take care. And I'm going to do, just so you know, I'm going to do another video or two on Snagit, on this video software I'm using. I owe them a product review. And by the way, when you buy this software, you get you can use it on 2 machines. I didn't know that. It's kind of cool. Most places are only 1 machine. They say you can use it on 2, so you can use it at home and in the office. Good idea. I'm going to do some on the RF attenuators I've been working on. And when I start etching some boards for the filters, I'm going to do the video on those. Might do a video on PCB etching, perhaps. It did seem like there was one other thing, but I don't remember what it was now. So it will just have to wait for another video. Take care, everyone. 7-3s, thank you for watching my videos. I do appreciate that. I hope you don't mind the ads, things coming up there. I did flip them all, I hope, to that 4-second or whatever it is skip ad feature instead of making you watch the ad, because I don't really think that's fair, and I don't like watching them if I don't want to. I like to be able to skip them if I want to. So I think that that's fair for you guys as well. So hope that's alright. I appreciate you watching the videos again, and see you next time. N2CUA, saying 7-3.